So in this video, we'll be going over the process of how we can skip trace a file on RapidSkip. First, we will log in into our account like this, and then we'll click on Drop your CSV or Excel file here or click to upload. We'll click here, and then we'll upload our file. Now we have to map list the columns. So we have to see if the first name is in the right category or not. Similarly, we'll go over all of the categories to make sure they're in the right place. Then we'll click on Next. Over here, we can see all of the files with the categories. And then we'll click on Submit. The process is as simple as that. And we can see over here in Order Details, if we scroll down just a little bit, we can see that our file over here is still pending for approval. All we have to do now is pay for it. Now, if we go to Pay Now, you will see the receipt over here. And then we can continue to check out to pay for it. And over here, we can add in our card details and just simply pay for it. It's as simple as that. Thank you very much.